everyone, Irit here, just with a little update. I have been away on vacation. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you to everyone that messaged me and emailed me. And if I haven't written you back, then please be patient. I hope I started this morning like writing back messages. I got already a bunch of questions about the next stamp restock. And I do want to do another restock, but probably it's going to be in June, and I would like to add another design for my stamps. So the best way to get notified when I do a restock is to sign up for my newsletter. That link is below. I never spam. I really send out emails. You know, sometimes it's just like once a month when something exciting is happening, and yeah, so you don't have to worry about, you know, getting daily emails from me. I'm sorry if that's what you want, but I really send out a newsletter only when something is happening, like a stamp restock. So that would be the best way. Or, of course, you can subscribe to my channel and, you know, ring the bell, and then you'll be notified when I post new videos. I try to also update, you know, YouTube and Instagram when I do a restock, but the newsletter is like the first thing that goes out. So and it's probably what the most kind of reliable tool that I have, because most people check their emails and then not all people are on YouTube daily or, you know, Instagram. So yeah, that is that. Now, this week I will try to make a fun video for Friday. I still don't know what. We might just, like, you know, sit down and paint, because that is something that is always fun and I don't really have to plan ahead a lot. We can just have fun painting together. Next week, I hope, you know, life happens and stuff happens, but next week I'm supposed to go to Vienna for the whole week to a painting course, which is something I have never done. You know, I mostly study or take classes, you know, as a student online, because I have small kids and, you know, I'm the one that mostly drives them around and takes them places. And I've never really treated myself to an entire week of painting. And I hope that is going to happen next week. So I'm going to be in Vienna. I would love to make a lovely vlog for you, because I think it'll just be fun. But I also know that I'm not very good at vlogging, and kind of when I have experiences, you know, outside of my studio, when I'm traveling or, you know, even going to the art store, I kind of want to be in the moment. And yeah, so filming is not always like a priority or something that I really I feel like doing, but I will try to maybe at least just like vlog, you know, at the end of the day about my experiences. So the course, it's not in watercolors. The thing is that I'm going to do the course with a friend, and she did a course with this instructor and was really had fun. And so I kind of wanted to have the experience with her, and I am interested in the techniques that we're going to learn and use, even though it's not in my choice of medium. So it's going to be in acrylics, but the artist makes mostly abstract work, and he works a lot with sand and in the desert and all kinds of like interesting things. So I'm not even sure what exactly we'll be doing, but I did buy a bunch of canvases like I was instructed to, and my friend has a lot of the supplies which she kindly said she will share with me. But I did buy a few pigments in colors that she didn't have, like, you know, pink, of course, and also binder. So what I'm excited about is we'll be mixing our own paint using, you know, pigment and binder, and that is something that sounds very appealing to me, to kind of feel more comfortable, kind of being, you know, your own chemist, playing around with mixing paint. And yeah, it's a lot of like texture. So I'm really excited about it, and I think I could have a lot of fun, and I think I can probably use those techniques and inspiration also for watercolors when I, come back. So that's my plan for next week. That's what I'll be doing. So probably there won't be like a regular video on Friday because the course only finishes on Friday. So I'll just be home in the evening and there's no way I can have a video ready by then. But I'll do my best to post as soon as possible. So yeah, probably in the next couple of weeks. I'm not sure how regular I'll be posting here on YouTube, but after that is done, it'll be back to the routine, and I still have some obligations for the watercolor workbook course. I'm working on that sketchbook and I'm filming it, and it's really, really a lot of fun. And I have one more printable that I need to finish, and it's just a really, really fun project. So thank you to everyone who's in the course, who are also enjoying this new content that I added to the course. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then just follow the link below to my online school and you can read about the course and see if it's something you're interested in. But yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say. I would like to also try, I saw a lot of you enjoyed my testing papers video that I posted before Easter, and I really want to try the new Hahnemühle 100% cotton sketchbook. So I hope to grab one, see if they have it in one of my local art stores. I want to grab one and try that, see how I like the paper. I'm a fan of Hahnemühle papers, so I think it'll be interesting to try out, and I'm glad that they also came out with 100% cotton sketchbooks, because those are very popular and very, I feel like, needed, and there aren't a ton of options. So I want to see what they did, and I'm not sure about more plans, but I will keep you updated. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon with another video. Have a wonderful week, day. Take care. Bye bye.